Okay, hi class. Today's lesson is going to be on how to use a Prezi so that we can make a presentation other than PowerPoint to use in class, homework assignments, when you're at work and you have a job, just anything that you need to present. So once we're at this page, we're going to go ahead and click Create a New Prezi. So let me know when that page loads so we can move on. I'm in. Okay. So once we're here, it's telling us to choose our own template. We can either choose a template that they gave us, like Clockwork, Nodes, Tranquility, Infinity, Balance, any of these, or we can create one from scratch. We're going to learn how to create one on our own. So I need you to go down and click Start Blank Prezi on the bottom right-hand corner. You're going to get to this page. This is trying to kind of giving you a guide on how to make the presentation, but we're going to ignore this completely. So I need you to click the circle. Once the square is around it, click delete and get rid of it completely. So we're going to add text real quick. So what you're going to do is just going to click any part of the screen and the cursor will pop up. Add any type of text that you want. I'm going to put in how to make a Prezi. And I click enter, not enter. Click anywhere else, and it's good. You can drag this by clicking and dragging. You can move it. You can make it bigger, smaller. You can zoom in or out by using any of these keys here. You can do basically anything that you can do. So that's how to add text. You can add enough. I want you to add one more thing of text just to see that we have it. So I'm going to put hello. So now you have two text boxes. You can also change the font. You can make it bold, italics, underline it. You can change the font so it looks cooler. You can give it a shading in the background by clicking this button. Possibilities are endless. It's exciting. So I have two ways that I made text now. Now we're going to move on to how to make a picture, insert a picture. So you're going to go to Insert, up on the top of the screen, Image. You can either choose a picture that you have already saved on your computer, or if you're using a desktop or you don't have pictures, you can quickly just go on the internet. So you can Google any picture that you want. I'm going to Google a flower because it's simple. And once you save it to your desktop. Great. So now that we have the flower, go back to your Prezi. There we go. You go back to your Prezi, you click Insert, Image, and you're going to add that picture in. And it's going to automatically do it for you. And see, just like that, your picture will appear on the screen. You guys have any questions so far? Can I move on? So we all have a picture. Yep. Okay. You can also make this picture bigger or smaller, just like you can do with the text. You can move it around. So now what you're going to do is we're going to learn how to add a link, a YouTube link onto our Prezi. So go to YouTube, pick your favorite song. Any song that you want, could be anything. The possibilities are endless. I'm going to pick my favorite song. Once you get it on the once you get to your favorite song, you're going to go to the top. You're going to highlight the link, right click, press copy, and that's how you copy the link. So now when you go to Prezi, you're going to go to Insert, where we just went to insert a picture, and we're going to go down to YouTube video. And then this text box will pop up. You're going to right click and insert your YouTube link into there. And right away, your YouTube link will pop up and it will be on the screen. So now we just have a bunch of random mumbo jumbo on our screen. And it's chaotic, there's no order. What we're going to do now is we're going to create a path from each image to the next to create that type of presentation where it goes from one slide to the next. So what you're going to do is on the bottom left corner down here, where you see my cursor, you're going to click Edit Path. And you're just going to click the order that you want to go in. So I'm going to click that as number 1, the flower as number 2, number 3, and then number 4. Yes?
Can you repeat that again, please?
Yeah, sure. To create a path, you're going to go to Edit in the bottom left-hand corner. You're going to click, and then you just click the order that you want these slides to appear in. So it's up to you. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Just connect the dots, basically. That answer your question, Andrew?
Yes.
Okay. So now once we have that, we're just going to see how it looks. So we're going to click present. And you see when you use the arrows, it's going to move from slide to slide in the order that you selected. None of that. And there you So we're almost finished in how to create a present. So next we're going to customize it. So we're going to, right next to insert is customize. And a bunch of stuff is going to pop in. So you can pick one of these to add a little color to the background, make it more exciting. Or you can add a 3D background. So you add a 3D background by going to choose file right here, click, and then just pick any picture that you have. I'm going to use the same thing, the flower, add. And then it should create that flower as a background. So now your background looks more creative, it looks more enjoyable to see, and we just created a Prezi. So now we're going to click present, and we're going to watch our work. How to make a Prezi. Picture of the flower, hello, the YouTube link, all that jazz. So now once we're done creating the Prezi, we need to share it. So what you're going to do is, you're going to, right next to present is this button, you're going to click it, and you're going to share your Prezi. Now you can either, it gives you a link to use that you can either copy and paste the link and then send that into someone, or you can just add people's emails immediately. So when you guys go home and do your assignment later and create your own Prezi, you're going to email it to me. So you're just going to add my email, which is rcuevas@ramapo.edu. You're going to add me, and then you're just going to send it to me so that I can see your work. You guys have any other questions? All right. Well, that is how you create a Prezi.